Hello, people. So, there is this show called Robert Durst, an ID murder mystery that you can find on the Discovery Plus app. And the thing is, Robert Durst was said to be this uh, one of the fourth richest people in New York. I mean, as in among real estate tycoons, they were among the fourth richest in New York. And except that Robert Durst was known to have murdered his wife, and in back in 1982, and 17 years later, when he had committed another murder, he was finally arrested and brought to book. So, when you watch a show like this, it's on the Discovery Plus app, you realize, yeah, no matter what, truth will always catch up, or karma always catches up. So it's just and it's so funny, it's so strange that when he was caught. He's a tycoon, okay, and tycoon who had $500 in his pocket when he was caught, but he was caught because he was seen stealing a chicken sandwich, at a supermarket without paying for it. So it's so in the interrogation room, when he was asked why he did such a thing, so he said, I was very bad at playing a fugitive, and ever since he committed these murders, his life was that of a fugitive. So really, this show makes one realize that capital punishment is what is meted out in these really bad cases, but a person who has to live and live, who commits such a murder and seemingly gets away, has to pretty much live the life of a fugitive, yeah, for the rest of their life. What kind of life is that? So, my God, so this is really, it's eye opening, and it's very soothing to the soul for those of us who've been through some rough times. You realize that justice is always done. So do try and catch it, people. This is called Robert Durst, an ID murder mystery, and it's on the Discovery Plus app. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Again, I've crossed a 2-minute video. I don't know why I keep doing this, but yeah, thanks for watching, people.